Yeah. You can buy different types of flowers to bring back with you. How cool. Oh, bulbs actually.
Fill up white space.
Yeah. After running around the island of Madeira for the past few days, we'll take it easy today, starting with this stunning view. By the way, we're trying to take it easy, but this wind has other plans. Boat tour to see whales a couple of days ago, our guide, who was also a marine biologist, told us about this whale museum. It's quite a controversial topic because whale hunting was a big thing in Madeira back in the days, but we also see how far they've come in marine conservation today. This museum opened its doors in 1990, but its roots go back to 1941 to 1981. They showed the tools used for whale hunting. It was quite brutal, and some of the scenes were almost too much to bear, but the museum doesn't shy away from the brutal reality. For 4 decades, whaling was a significant part of Madeira's economy. The cost of this is having entire populations of whales almost decimated. It's a reminder that economic gain often comes at a devastating price. Today, instead of hunting whales, Madeira is at the forefront of cetacean research and conservation. I didn't realize how intelligent and important they are to our ecosystems. They actually have complex communications. I'm glad there are efforts to increase their population and protect them now. These are photos from our tour guide. I think we found, 2 photos of her? 3?
3 or 4.
Yeah, these ones also. Flying fish. I really like that they have marine biologist on board with us, so we can learn a lot of different things, and they can point out the behaviors and explain how they tag or how they learn about the species. Oh, there's actually a parking. This is the Gallardo Seco. First. I thought you don't want to come. airport's platform.
Yes.
This is the platform.
Yes.
No way. I mean, we drove past here a few times, but I didn't know we were under the platform of the
And this is how high the waves gush.
Airport.
Gush, remember? Oh, I take this as my room.
I think this is the lobby, no?
So nice.
We then checked into Quinta da Casa Branca for our last night. This 19th century manor once belonged to Madeira wine merchants. It's surrounded by over 27,000 square meters of beautiful plants, basically a plant lover's paradise. Madeira is filled with many modern hotels, which some of it we experienced in the previous days, but for our last day we wanted to experience something with a little more history. So apparently, I didn't know, but we have a child. Because there's a baby cot here, and I guess we made a mistake or something, but they told us that they prepared a cot for our baby. And I was like, oh, okay. I still prefer this area than the city center.
Yeah.
It's more chill here. Recante.
Really pretty.
Which way? That's what I thought.
Say Greece, then it's like.
Is it 9? Throughout our last lunch, we were talking about all the incredible memories we've made on this island. Unlike other places, Madeira doesn't just present itself to you, it reveals itself layer by layer. Through every turn we drove, it felt like turning the page of an exciting novel. Out in the ocean, while I'm swimming on the surface with dolphins, I'm reminded of how deep the ocean extends under me. It gave me a slight sense of discomfort of the unknown, but also reminded me of the vastness of our world and the depth of experiences waiting to be discovered. This trip allowed us to immerse ourselves in a world that challenged our senses, perceptions, and our place in the grand scheme of things.